This week I am testing the Isuzu MU-X. This is their new 1.9 litre model. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The boot section of this review is brought to you by Thule. The boot door of the 1.9 MU-X opens manually and closes that way too, but it's nice and quiet, which is great with families. Let's find out how the Thule prams fit in the boot. When using the first 2 rows of seats in the Isuzu MU-X, the boot will hold 18 shopping bags. Or the Thule sleek, future-proof, multi-configuration pram with a single seat will fit in the boot of the MU-X with 8 shopping bags. The Thule sleek, future-proof, multi-configuration pram with 2 sibling seats will fit in the boot with 8 shopping bags. And the Thule sleek, future-proof, multi-configuration pram with a single seat and the bassinet will fit in the boot of the Isuzu MU-X side by side with 3 shopping bags. Or the Thule Urban Glide 3 single all-terrain stroller with the back wheels on fits easily in the boot with 8 shopping bags. Or the Thule Urban Glide 3 twin side-by-side ultimate all-terrain stroller with the back wheels on fits easily in the boot with 6 shopping bags. Or the Thule Spring lightweight and one-handed folding stroller fits in the boot of the Isuzu MU-X with 12 shopping bags. Or you can fit 2 90-litre, 1 70-litre and 1 40-litre Thule Chasm duffel bags, or a large dog. When using all 3 rows of seats, the boot will hold 6 shopping bags. Or the Thule sleek, future-proof, multi-configuration pram with a single seat will fit in the boot of the Isuzu MU-X with no shopping bags. Or the Thule Urban Glide 3 ultimate all-terrain stroller with one of the back wheels removed fits in the boot with no shopping bags. Or the Thule Spring lightweight and one-handed folding stroller fits in the boot of the Isuzu MU-X with 2 shopping bags. Or you can fit 2 40-litre Thule Chasm duffel bags in the boot. Or a small dog will comfortably fit in the boot when using all 3 rows of seats. If your boot is full with all your family's camping gear, or if you use all 7 seats of the MU-X, there's an option to put the Thule Caprock roof platform on the roof. Let's see how the prams fit up there. The Thule Spring one-hand folding stroller fits easily on the Thule Caprock roof platform. That's an easy single fold, and it fits up there really nice and easily. You will need to use straps to make sure it's secured down. Let's try the others. The Thule Urban Glide 3 all-terrain running stroller fits easily on the Thule Caprock roof platform. And the Thule Urban Glide 3 double all-terrain running stroller fits easily on the Thule Caprock roof platform. And there's room up there to put other things too. As you can see, this is a great option for families with the Isuzu MU-X or other vehicles that the Thule Caprock roof platform would fit on. Storage in the front of the MU-X is good. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. Behind them is a good sized central console box, and in front of them is a phone well. There are 2 glove boxes in the dashboard of the MU-X. The top one will hold a phone and things like that, and the bottom one is slightly bigger and will hold an iPad and wallet with the manual. There is a glasses case in the ceiling, and there are cup holders at each end of the dashboard. They are fantastic, we love those. They will hold a reusable or disposable coffee cup, and the door bins are a good size in the front. They'll hold a reusable water bottle, and an iPad and wallet fit in them too. There's also the little handle storage wells. The media system in the MU-X is very basic. It has a very small screen here, and as you can see, it has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can access your phone and apps and things while driving along. Now in this little settings button here, you can adjust a few things about the media system. Also in audio, you can adjust the sound levels for things, which does help with little ones. You can play with the camera and things like that, but it is very basic. When you put it into reverse, the camera image, again, it's very small because of the size of the screen here and slightly pixelated, but it does help, and it's especially useful when reverse parking. There are aircon vents in both rows of seats in the ceiling of the MU-X, which is great for keeping your rear passengers the right temperature while you're driving along. Storage is good in the back of the Isuzu MU-X. There is a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup, and a child's drink cup fits in them too. In the back of the central console box, there is a storage area for a phone, and you've got 2 charging sockets there as well. There are mat pockets on the back of both front seats. They will hold but not conceal an iPad, and there's also a bag hook on the back of one of them too. The door bins are a good size in the back. They'll hold a refillable water bottle, and there's the storage handle wells in the doors as well. In the third row, the storage is good. On both sides, there is a cup holder that will hold a child's drink cup, or a disposable or reusable coffee cup fits nicely, or water bottle, and there's another storage area for a phone or a book. In the back of the Isuzu MU-X, there are Isofix in the 2 outer second row seats. Now, not within plastic guides, they're behind flaps of the seat-based fabric, but they're nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all 3 of the second row seats. They're right down at the bottom of the seat backs though, so you do need to put the third row seats up in order to connect your top tether clips. Now, I have got 3 child seats across the back here, which is great news for families that need to. Really comfortably, I've got 2 forward-facing child seats and 1 rear-facing infant capsule. With that infant capsule rear facing behind the driver, we could fit about a 180 centimetre driver in front, or taller if you've got forward facing child seats. Now in the third row seats, there are no Isofix and no top tethers, so you can't install any child seats back there at all. For third row passengers, it is comfortable. There's a decent amount of headroom and kick room, and I'm 162 centimetres. The 1.9 litre MU-X is still a really nice car to drive. You kind of don't notice that much. Now, it's still good off-road and can tow our camper trailer really nicely. It does have a lower towing capacity, just 3 tonnes rather than 3.5 with the bigger engines. Now, visibility is still really good with the 3 child seats in the back. I can still see out of the rear windscreen, and the turning circle is good, and visibility is great out of the sides as well. So to sum up, with the 1.9 litre Isuzu MU-X, it still makes a great family car. You can still get those 3 InfoSecure child seats across the middle row really nicely, and the Thule Urban Glide 3 twin or single pram fit really nice and easily in the boot. And when you're using all 7 seats, you can still get the single Urban Glide 3 in the boot anyway. The drive is still good. With that 3-tonne towing capacity, we can still tow our camper trailer, and it's a nice, solid family car to drive.